Little tour of the farm. Out there's where we put the cows and horses. Cows in one section over there. The horses can go up there. Both the cows and the horses can come into the barnyard. Horses over there. There's a couple of horses, stallions that go out for a few minutes and enjoy the weather. And there's that old shabby barn. Looks better since it got painted red. Here's a couple more horses that tend to not want to go out with the rest of the horses. I'm going to walk out front here. That's Patch. That's Sugar. That's Star. That's Alice. Trixie. Goldie. Sugar. Ruby running by. That's Ruby. This is Dolly, the black and white one. Down there is Winnie. And Oreo is down there. And this little one is Willow. Willow. Come here, Willow. Come here, Willow. Hi, Willow. Willow Pillow. Hi, Willow Pillow. She doesn't want to talk to me. Yeah, Willow. Yeah. Ruby. Come here, Ruby. Ruby. Ruby, Ruby. Ruby Tuesday. Yeah, Ruby. Say hello, everybody. Say hello, everybody. Ruby. Say hello, everybody. Oh, good horse. Good horse. Oh, okay. It's an old run-in shed that needs to be cleaned out. The barn, I don't even want to show you what the inside of the barn looks like. Ooh, shavings and hay. Yeah. There's Summer. Hi, Summer. She got sprayed by a skunk. There's the turkeys roosting for the night. There's the chicken coop, the greenhouse, a portable chicken coop. Some more horses out in here with their foals. Their grain room. Chicken coop. Pigeons, because the hawks were eating them all, so we had to put them in to keep the hawks away from them. And also keep the pigeons out of the garden. Chickens. Our little egg makers. Money makers, I should say. Going out through to see some geese. Here's the garden. Here's some horses out with their foals, just enjoying some time outside. Here's some geese. I might go in so you can see the babies. Some goats. We got goats everywhere. Okay. Really unsteady because of I'm having to do everything by myself. Ooh, here come some more horses. Here come some more horses. That's Sandy and Buttons. And behind them is Fancy and Finesse. Here's some geese. And down there some baby geese. With the mother. 2 mothers and 1 father. There's the garden again. Hi, Grandma. We call her Grandma. She was almost starving when we rescued her last fall. We got a bunch of them. Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma. Oh, and that's Big Bone in the Rain right there. Big Bone in the Rain. Okay, now we'll go up to the front of the house. Garden. I'm going to stop and pick it up at the front of the house after I lock up out here. Time for the horses to come in for their evening grain. I'm going to call them. Let's see how fast they come. Yep. Mud. Yep. Mud. Mud. Yep. There's the donkeys. Mud. Yep. And now it's time to feed them.